Hiya and welcome to my unboxing of my February Planners Anonymous kit. This kit is called Vineyard. And here we go. So this is the planner kit, the additional sticker kit, the paper for the planner kit, and this is the extra paper pack. So these are the papers that come in the planner kit. First of all, this beautiful Vineyard, lovely watercolour. Hopefully you can see in the close-up there the gorgeous sort of watercolour effect on it. And it has this dark green on the back, and there is actually writing on there, which I won't read now. There's quite a lot of writing, but something to read later. Then there's this paper here with cheese. Hopefully you can see there the little images of cheese and then the names of the cheese. And on the reverse of that is this here. And then we've got grapes, lots of gorgeous bunches of grapes. And a purple on the reverse of that. I just glanced at this, I really like it actually. So it's talking about the unique weather conditions and fertile soil combined to give our winemakers ideal conditions in which to create beautifully blended wines, and so on. So it looks like an educational kit as well as something pretty to craft with. And then we've got the acetate, which is a rose gold foil this month. And basically all of the marks left from a wine bottle, if you're having a good splash of your wine bottle. The vellum are the bunches of grapes, just like the patterned paper. So these are the papers for the Vineyard kit, and now let's have a look at everything else that comes in the planner kit. First of all, the 3 rolls of washi, which we'll look at the end. I'll roll them out and we'll have a look at them. So we have our girl. I'm not sure when it happened, I think maybe a month or 2 ago, but the girl no longer was anonymous. She has eyes now. All of the time. I'm not sure if Sammy's talked about that or not, but here she is. So her name is Bree. I never know if this is something that you want me to read or not. So I could quickly read it. It says, "For me, nothing quite beats the irresistible combination of cheese, wine, and good conversation. As I close my eyes enjoying a light rosé, I find myself transported to a sun-drenched vineyard with endless rows of grapevines and rolling pasture lands. It inspires me to explore the world, to experience new tastes in search of something that will truly soothe my soul. Why does the simple pleasure of cheese, wine, and good friends bring me such joy? Well, that's hard to say. There's a certain je ne sais quoi to it, if you will. Love always, Bree." Definitely one of our more adult themes for the year. We've been wanting to do a kit with throwbacks to some of the gorgeous wineries around the globe. From the breathtaking chateaus in France to the stunning Napa and the beautiful Barossa, there is more to enjoy than just wine. Grab your bestie and head out for a picnic, or let the kit do it for you. And that's from the Planners Anonymous team. So there's Bree. And a gorgeous pen. So the pen is rose gold, has the Planners Anonymous etched along here as per usual, and twist for the ballpoint to come out. And then in the barrel we have all of these coloured crystals. Gorgeous. Sort of the green grapes and the red grapes, love it. We'll have a look at the quote cards. There's the backing card, love the backing card. Definitely going to craft with that. And we've got cheese, wine, and everything fine. Wine is bottled poetry. I hear you. It's wine o'clock. What time is that? Age only matters if you are a cheese. I love that one. You're the cheese to my wine. Oh, how romantic. And friends, cheese and wine, all better with age. Love them. So we've got 6 of those in coordinating colours with the papers of the kit. This is the mystery item for the month. It's a faux leather pouch. It has Planners Anonymous etched in here. The colour of a deep red wine. Has a little stud there, and it's nice and soft inside. And it's big enough, for example, to fit the stickers, and obviously it would fit more in there as well. So speaking of the stickers, let's have a look at those. This is definitely reminding me of a vineyard and sitting amongst the vines having a drink. Gorgeous. And the little animals too, so there's a bit of farm in it. A bit of countryside. And we have a man again. These are gorgeous, the little platters, the grapes, the bread. Oh, look at the cow. That's a cute cow. And here we've got date headers and the coordinating colours of the kit, and then the folding traveller's notebook sticker. And here we have the little icon page with all the useful things in it. And you can also see here a preview of next month's kit, which is Rainy Days, which is beautiful bright yellows and blues. Here you can see the 4 sticker sheets in the kit. And now let's have a look at the stamps. Here's the stamp set with some really nice looking stamps on there. I love the cheese platter. And the girl is super cute. There's grapevines, there's a cheers to you, all sorts of different little cheeses and so on. So that looks like a fun one to play with. And then we've got our large art card and die cuts. Here's the art card. It's a 5x7 inch card, and we've got time to wind down with the beautiful vineyard and the building in it. Love that. Then there's the pocket with the perforated edges to fold down, and that's like a wine bottle label or something. That's super cute. We've got another die cut of brie. And then we've got a very large wine bottle. The wooden sign. Cheese. Oh, cute little picnic basket. This I love, the platter of wine, cheese and ham, etc. Love it. Oh, we've got a sheep. Cute. That's cute. And winery. So quite a selection of different die cuts this month. And now let's have a look at the washi. Here's the washi for the Vineyard kit. It has a rose gold foil. And hopefully you can see there, that's actually the length of pattern before there's a repeat. So once again, a really nice pattern before there's a repeat. So the little thin washi has different images of cheese and then the names of the cheese on it. The 15mm washi with various wine, cheeses, etc. on it. And then the wide washi is in little sections here, which you'd be able to put in planner boxes, for example. So we've got Vineyard's Own with a gorgeous picture. I'll just try and show you up close the different Hopefully that's catching the foil. So this is the wider washi, and you can see there's lots of little sayings there. Cheers to you, Salador, etc. Rosé all day. This is the Vineyard planner kit, lots of goodies to craft with, and I'm actually loving the different colours. So they're warm colours. They're quite cozy colours, suited to sort of colder weather, but then also because it's sort of vineyards and drinking and wine and outside and so on, it's sort of a warm weather activity too. So really a great kit to use sort of all year round, because we can have wine all year round. These are the papers from the additional paper pack. So first of all, this absolutely gorgeous one, which I love, which is so many cheeses. It's almost giving me a sore stomach thinking of that much cheese. All of the cheese, the wine, the grapes, a really nice paper. And on the reverse of that, this nice soft green. And once again, we've got lots of writing to read later there. Oh, and then we've got lots and lots of bottles of wine. Not at all like my wine cellar. Wine cellar is a very generous name for what I have. But we've got lots of bottles of wine, and then this nice red wine colour on the reverse of that. Oh, I like this. And we've got our cellar here with all of our wine barrels. I love it. Love, love, love that. And that has a nice warm brown on it. And then also with the additional paper pack, you get one more piece of the vellum and one more piece of the acetate. So that's the additional papers. And now let's have a look at the additional sticker kit. Okay, here's the additional sticker kit. So we have our girl surrounded by grapes. Oh, that's nice. The little picnic. And those cute houses and picnic baskets and so on. Love that. And look at that feast. And then here we've got our guy with various wine and cheese things again. Oh, we've got animals. We've got lots and lots of farm animals. Cute. And then we've got various foodie bits and then wooden signs. Oh, and lots of sayings. I love these ones. It's wine o'clock. You're the cheese to my wine. Just say cheese. So we've got lots and lots of words and phrases there. And then here we've got our double boxes. So it looks like the double boxes are separated again. So they're actually cut as single boxes, but you can place them together as a double box. And then there's a little extra bit on the edge there if you also want to fill in the little gap between your planner columns. And these are nice. I haven't had those sort of sizes before. They're almost like a half box, a bit smaller than a half box, but they'd be perfect for popping something in and writing on. Love that. And then we've got more double boxes, but they are just single full boxes which can be combined, like the first page. I love those. So they're like bigger versions of the smaller ones. So these are full box size. They're cute boxes, but also functional boxes. Oh, and then these ones too. So the width of an EC box, but slightly more decorative, but obviously great for writing on. Then the sticky notes and date dots. And then we've got the weekly headers, splashes, full boxes, trackers, etc. in the colours of the kit. They're green, and then we've got our 2 pages of minis, which are always super cute. I love the minis. I pretty much have minis in all of my weekly spreads all year round. We have a total of 17 pages in the sticker kit this month. Thanks so much for watching my unboxing. I've just unboxed Vineyard, which is the Planners Anonymous kit for February. I've unboxed the planner kit, the add-on paper pack, and the add-on sticker kit. And you can see in front of me a very pretty mess, which is just waiting to be crafted with. I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing, and maybe I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!